Hey guys, this is my second video. Yeah, and for those of you that don't know, this is Kayley.
What's up, peeps?
My diminutive elephant. Today, we're gonna go head to head. And what we're gonna do is we've got 8 different topics, and we're gonna.
I'm intimidating you.
Yeah.
I'm intimidating her with my string.
We're gonna put them in my hat. I love my hat. It's so cozy, but I never actually wear it outside the house, which is weird. But there you go.
In case you haven't already noticed, I'm unstable.
When you, yeah. So they're all going to go in my hat. We're going to pick out 4 each. So we've picked topics that we think we can probably do well, and we're going to have 2 minutes to name as many as we can. For example, this isn't one that we're doing, so this question won't come up. But imagine if the question was, how many Doctor Who actors can you name? To have 2 minutes to name as much as we can. We get a point for each one, and at the end we're going to count them all together and see who wins.
Damn it, I'm glad that question's not hit.
But yeah, so we've got 4 each, obviously, because we've got 8 altogether. And I think now would be a good time to get started. So, because I don't have much room on the camera. So anyway, right,
Let's do this thing!
woo! Who's going first?
Good question.
Toss a coin.
Toss the coin.
Toss a coin. Oh, I got a point. Right.
Thanks. Tails never fails, so I'm going tails.
You're going tails?
Yeah. Tails never fails, guys!
So you go one. So you're going first.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Haley's going first. I need to set timer. Oh, hang on. Yes! Yeah. Just got a message from my friend Alex. Her mum and her dad have just become Scottish ambassadors for the National Autistic Society.
Yeah.
So yeah, big congratulations to them. Yes.
That's great
Very
news.
well done. That's brilliant news. Great news. Right. Sorry for that delay. Anyway.
To the timer.
To the timer. Oh, sugar. Right. Ready for this, Kayley?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I can't crack my knuckles.
Good.
But I'm ready.
Disgusting.
Right.
Oh!
Hit myself in the face.
Pick one. There we go. You know, you don't need to cover your eyes. You could have just opened them and picked them. They're all folded up anyway.
Okay.
Right.
We have... How many songs like Michael Jackson can you name? Here we go,
Right.
Here we go, guys.
Are you ready, people? So, how many songs by Michael Jackson can you name? Ready? Set. Go.
Man in the Mirror, Dirty Diana, Thriller, Beat It, I'm Bad, crap! No, I can do this. Oh my god, this is it.
Oh, this is another one.
I can do this. Shut up! No, stress, pressure, nah. Those aren't song names.
I got it.
I'm losing time. Oh, why is my mind gone blank? Oh no. I could. Oh no.
That's not a song title.
Oh, I can do this. I know I can. Why can't I remember anything? Shut up!
I thought you said you could do this.
I thought I could do it. I do know. I'm having a mind blank. It's so bad.
got 28 seconds.
Oh no. The way you make me feel.
The way you make me feel. Right, concentrate, go!
Earth song. Black and white.
Time's up. I should probably actually put the sound on. I get it!
Damn it. Well, in 9.
Time was up there, I just forgot to put
9.
my turn.
Let's hope you get a good topic.
Shit.
Different video game consoles. Oh! She's not happy, guys. She's not happy.
No! I didn't win, I didn't want! Right, okay.
Okay. Ready? Go!
Wii, PSP, Nintendo DS, Nintendo DS Lite, Nintendo 3D, PS1, PS2, PS3, Xbox.
How could she not think of any more?
Shut your mouth.
40 seconds.
Ah! Did I say Game Boy? I didn't! Game Boy! No. Oh, no.
I've got so many answers going through my
I
head.
know.
This was my one. This was my question, man. She stole my question.
I don't know, I
Oh,
don't know.
10.
Ah! Does Connect count?
No.
Ah!
5.
Shut up.
3. 2. 1. Oh. Bad times.
Okay.
10.
Okay,
10. Brilliant. Okay.
Right, Kayley's turn again. She gets the one I want to get all killed.
How many Beatles songs can you name? She hates me now. She hates me. This is the one she wants you.
Right.
Okay.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, go.
Hey Jude, Strawberry Fields Forever, Lucy in the Sky with Diamonds. Here Comes the Sun, Let It Be, All My Lovin'.
I can't give up!
My face. No, that's not a song. Yellow Submarine, Yesterday, Eleanor Rigby, Oobla Dee Oobla Da,
Sorry.
Penny Lane. Oh my god, shit. I Am the Walrus.
Language!
Sorry. I Am the Walrus. Did you get that one? Yeah.
Yeah.
All together now. Number 9.
Number 9.
Number 9.
It's Revolution 9 actually.
Revolution 9.
I'll give you that one.
See.
15 seconds. I could have got more.
I know you could have. That's a funny thing.
Oh!
Nah.
Time's up.
Nah. How many is it?
9, 15.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. 15.
Not bad, not bad.
I bet you Anna can still whip your
Oh, she
both
can
our butts.
blow our butts out the water, man.
Right, my turn again.
Anna loves the Beatles. Okay. Right, move it. Right.
Go on, you say.
Can you hand me the ice?
Oh no! How
She
many
got
characters from Harry Potter can you name?
I'm jealous.
Ah.
This was one of my questions, man. Here we go. I'm gonna
You
get
do
my
my question.
butt wiped out of the water, right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Albus Dumbledore.
I'll give you it.
Severus Snape. Crap. Hagrid. McGonagall. Flitwick. Trelawney. Umbridge. Fred, George, Percy, Bill, Fleur, Charlie, Ginny, Arthur, Molly, Dobby, Sirius Black, Remus Lupin, Tonks, Creature, Mundungus Fletcher, Mad-Eye, Crouch, Crouch Jr., Voldemort, Bellatrix, Lucius Malfoy, Narcissa Malfoy, the other one, the name I can't remember, Draco Malfoy,
How could she forget Tom Felton?
no, he's big.
Oh.
Neville! Luna, Cho.
Oh!
That wasn't bad.
Right, yep.
36.
36.
Yes! Right.
Holy cow.
Freaking
Wow.
I'm a big geek. I'll admit it.
5.
Yes.
Harry Potter geeks for the win. Okay.
One.
How many Queen songs can you name?
I hate you. I hate you so much.
This isn't good for me.
You're getting all the ones I wanted.
You know, ones I wanted. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
How many Queen songs can you name?
Oh.
Do you know who's going to kill you?
Sorry, I've stolen one. And go.
Go.
Tie Your Mother Down.
Oh.
Bohemian Rhapsody.
Galileo, Galileo. I had to.
Fat Bottom Girls. I can't believe how difficult it is. Break Free. No. No! She's raging. Oh, I need this one. Get all my ones! Another one bites the dust.
I can't remember it. Never mind. Okay.
I Want to Ride My Bicycle. Oh man, that was poor. That was poor.
You got 7.
That
6.
was
6.
Poor.
Got 6. That was pretty poor.
Right.
Goodbye, Gilly. It was nice knowing you.
I hate you. You got more video games than I did Queen songs.
That really is poor. Right, okay. You know, Karma's gonna get me like a bitch now. Oh, sorry.
Family friendly vlogs. How many Disney films can you name? That's an alright one.
I didn't want it though. How many Disney films can you name? Okay.
And go.
Lion King, Bambi, 101 Dalmatians, Hunchback of Notre Dame, Aladdin, Cinderella, Snow White, Sleeping Beauty, Beauty and the Beast, Mulan. I said Aladdin, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yes, did. George of the Jungle?
I don't think that's Disney.
Oh. Listen all the good ones. Bug's Life. Jungle Book. Oh no! Jungle Book.
10 seconds.
Wall-E, Monsters